Hello YouTube. I'm making a video again of me burping. And I haven't made one in a while, so I decided to reward you guys with a video. I'm gonna try to go for a little more than 2 minutes at least. I might go for 5, not sure yet. I've been like burping all day and I've been practicing and everything, and I'm just like really nauseated from doing it so much. So sorry if it sucks. Yeah, that's about it. What's up? Ugh. I almost puked. Ew. Ugh. Ew. Yeah, that I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry, dude. Bye.